Well, what's up, guys? Check it out. Received another package for the Camaro. Some of you guys might already know what it is just based off the size of this box and the way it looks. But plenty of you would not know what it is. So therefore, let's start this unboxing and see what we have here. Note, I just purchased a tripod so I can stop doing these videos one-handed and get the content going a little bit better and all that other kind of stuff. Trying to invest into the channel, so give me a support. Follow, subscribe, like the videos. Would really appreciate it. Just trying to get this thing going. Anyhow, let's continue. So, the modernizing this Camaro, my 2011, got these sweet, beautiful marker LED lights that are smoked out. I have all four. As I'm peeling off the plastic protective sheet, you can see these are pretty nice. They seem to be cut pretty decent. I mean, this is an eBay product, so I know you get what you pay for, but I'm all about building on a budget. I do quality where I feel like we need to have quality, and I do some shortcuts here and there where I feel like that's okay. And LED technology is not so crazy, therefore don't have to spend $200 on this type of stuff. eBay tends to work perfectly for this. You get warranties with these type of things, at least a 1 year in most cases. And like I said, I'm gonna save a few bucks. I mean, there's nothing wrong with Diode Dynamics and Oracle Lighting. Those companies are like super cool. They got all the good shit, but like I said, it's a budget built, not a show car. We just make it look super cool, all on the low. Anyhow, this is another quick video. It comes with four, 2 for the front, 2 for the rear, etc. You see a little LED board in the back. Needs to be badass, so stay tuned. I have more to show. Let's go take a look at the car so we can get a little bit of before and after. Well, here's the ones currently on my car that are blacked out, that I've done myself. They look cool. This is just a stock one here with the stock bulb, and I just put some sort of film over it. Like $10 for that mod. Got me a nice blacked out look. Going for the improvement. I'll knock out the front today, and I'll do the rear probably another day. It's a little bit rainy, it's a little cold, and I don't feel like completely pulling a bumper apart. I mean, I know I don't have to take the bumper off, but anyway, talking too much, we'll get to the action, show you the real stuff later. Well, here we go. The LEDs are installed and complete. It's looking damn good. You know, just another simple mod, tasteful mod that was added to the car. Came out pretty sweet. I really like it. She's mad dirty. It's been raining and all types of stuff going on. Look at the filth around that bumper and everything. It's just dirty as hell. But there it goes. So fresh, so clean. LEDs are complete. Thanks for checking me out. Subscribe, comment, like. Thank you.